It's about 4:15, severe weather is pushing through East Texas right now. Since about 4:15 this afternoon, the winds have been gusting up as you hear it blowing right about now. Very dusty storm. Gray skies are overhead. The major problem with this storm is going to be the dust from the dry conditions. Driving down through downtown Lufkin, you had wind gusts that remind me of desert storms or wind storms in New Mexico. So very windy conditions right now. Gusty winds. Lots of dry trees and limbs have been blown throughout the area.